I suppose the sleeping giant of Lincoln City, to be getting them into League Two, it must just be an absolute honour, mustn't it?
I feel really privileged to manage this football club. I feel really proud of everybody because everybody's contributed, and that's what I feel so proud about. That everybody, you know, from the tea lady right up to the chairman. And certainly our wonderful supporters have all contributed in this journey, and we wouldn't have achieved it without everybody.
Talking about the supporters, the definition of the 12th man today, wasn't it?
They've been incredible all season. They've been absolutely unbelievable all season. They've been right behind us. Their support has been unconditional, and it just shows you what you can achieve when a city's united.
And looking at, like you were saying, the discussions that will take place, it's crucial, isn't it, that they happen as soon as possible. So
of course, yeah, we want clarity, and we want to be able to keep the group together first and foremost, keep the group together because we know we've got a foundation of a really good squad, and then it'll be trying to build on that.
And I've got to ask as well, when Farman went down, you've no sub-keeper on the bench. Were you panicking a little?
No, we haven't had a sub-goalkeeper all year, so Sam Havergam's brilliant in goal. So he's just waiting for the opportunity.